Lana Love is an American singer and dancer. She is famous for participating in season 22 of NBC's singing reality show The Voice. Omar Cardona and Lana Love sings Into the Unknown, The Voice Battles 2022. In the fifth and final part of the battles, Lana Love and Omar Jose Cardona tackle the panic at the disco version of Into the Unknown from the hit 2019 Disney movie Frozen 2, as seen in a clip shared exclusively. Lana kicks things off with the power ballad's distinct siren call before Omar joins her, and the two trade off lines and also duet on the Grammy and Oscar-nominated track. In her late teens, Lana was featured as a singer, actor and dancer in several musical productions by Disney and Nickelodeon. On Instagram, she refers to herself as a former Disney princess. Lana is an extremely beautiful-looking, hot and gorgeous lady with an attractive and charming personality and a cute smile. Lana studied music at the University of Florida, the American Mask Theater, and the Dramatic Academy in New York. This hints at the talent and potential of the young artist who often sings in church and on a few other occasions. Lana was assistant director and lyricist for the 2021 Netflix documentary Making Millions about the story behind the musical based on the relationship between the explorer Curtis and an Aztec woman named Melinge. One of the standout tracks is Into Deep. Says Lana wrote this song about surface level love. This year I let go of all those relationships that were half in half out and stopped bobbing with ankle weights on. Now I make a conscious effort to develop connections with people who have the capacity to love deep and sweet. Check out the lyric video below. The talented lady is one such star who is definitely meant to rule the future music world.